morning, student. In the last period, we see the principle of superposition of wave, constructive interference and destructive interference. Constructive means the two waves are said to be in phase, are called as constructive interference, and the two waves are said to be out of phase, are called as destructive interference. Then today we have to see the theory of beats. Theory of beats. First we have to see what is my beats. Beat म्हणजे काय? Beat means the superposition of two waves. Superposition of two waves are traveling in the same direction, having same amplitude but slightly different frequencies. Is the phenomenon of beats. So beats is the superposition of two sound waves of same amplitude and slightly different frequencies. Different frequency traveling are in the same direction. Same direction is the beats. The superposition of two sound waves of same amplitude and slightly different frequencies traveling in the same directions is the phenomenon of beats. Means two waves are in the same direction. Y1 be the displacement of this wave, Y2 be the displacement of another waves. They are traveling in the same direction, having same amplitude, but slightly different frequency is N1 and N2. They form the beats. So beats consisting of waxing and waning. वॅक्सिंग म्हणजे काय? वॅक्सिंग कशाला म्हणायचं आपण? Intensity of sound should be maximum are called as waxing. किंवा sound is maximum are called waxing. And next one is the waning म्हणजे काय? Sound is minimum are called waning. Intensity of sound should be maximum are called waxing. Intensity of sound should be minimum are called waning. And one waxing and one waning for one beats. एक वैक्सिंग एक वैनिंग एक बीट तैयार होतो. So ही फर्स्ट वेव आहे. They perform simple harmonic motion. The another waves are this. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the beats. Means, beat means one waxing and one waning for one beats. So, next one is the frequency of beats. Frequency of beats means number of beats heard per second are called as frequency of beats. Number of beats heard per second is called as beat frequency आपण म्हणतो. सो म्हणजे एका सेकंदामध्ये किती बीट फॉर्म होतात त्याला आपण फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणतो. फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ बीट्स म्हणतो आपण त्याला. The number of beats here per second are called as frequency of beats. Frequency of beats. It is denoted by n. It is denoted by n. Next one is a period of beats. Period of beats. Period of beats means time taken to complete one beat are called as period of beats. So, time taken to complete one beat are called as period of beats. Period of beats. Therefore, frequency of beats is n is equal to 1 by t, and period of beats t is equal to reciprocal of beat frequency. We have to find out the expression for beat frequency. So we have to consider the two sound waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequencies. They are at the same point, are in the same directions, and these two waves, they are interfere with each other. Obtain the beats. Let y1 and y2 be the displacement of two sound waves. Y1 and y2 be the displacement of two sound waves. N1 and N2 be the frequency of two sound waves. So, in the last period we have to find out the equation for displacement. Y is equal to A into sine of omega t minus kx minus kx. But these two waves, they arrive at the same point, means displacement is 0. So y is equal to a into sine of omega into t. But omega is equal to 2 pi n. So y equal to a into sine of 2 pi n into t. But displacement of first wave is y1 is equal to a into sine of 2 pi n1 into t. These are the equation number 1. This is the displacement of first wave. Amplitude is same, but slightly different frequencies. N1 is greater than N2. Therefore, y2 with the displacement of another waves, y2 equal to a into sine of 2 pi n2 into t. These are the equation number 6. The resultant displacement of these two waves is y is equal to y1 plus y2. The resultant displacement of these two waves, y is equal to y1 plus y2. So, suppose that these are the wave. ही एक वेव आहे आणि दुसरी वेव अशी आहे. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other. These are the y with the net displacement. These are the mean position which x is equal to 0. So y is equal to y1 plus y2. These are the resultant displacement of these two waves. Therefore, put the value of y1 and y2. y1 is a into sine of 2 pi n1 t आणि y2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे आपल्याकडे a into sine of 2 pi n2 into t. Then a is common, y is equal to a into sine of 2 pi n1 t plus sine of 2 pi n2 into t. Using the trigonometric relation, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2 into cos of C minus D divided by 2. Using this equation can be written as these are the value of C, these are the value of T, sin C plus sin D. Using this equation can be written as y is equal to 2 into A into sine of C plus D. C ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे 2 pi n1 into t प्लस D ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 2 pi n2 into t whole divided by 2 into cos of C minus D 2 pi n1t minus 2 pi n2t and whole divided by 2. These are the value of cos. Then y equal to 2a into sine of 2 pi मी कॉमन काढलं. शिल्लक राहिलं या ठिकाणी n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into t into cos of 2 pi मी पण कॉमन काढलं आणि या ठिकाणी n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. But these are the values, these are the difference of frequency, these are the addition of frequencies. These are the minimum values, these are the maximum values. So, but resultant amplitude of these two waves is A equal to 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. These are the resultant amplitude of these two waves. Therefore, put this value in this equation, y is equal to A into sine of 2 pi n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into t. But n1 plus n2 divided by 2 is equal to and then y equal to A into sine of 2 pi n into t. So these are the resultant displacement of these two waves. Y with the net displacement or resultant displacement, A with the resultant amplitude of these two waves. So y is equal to A sin 2 pi n into t. But there are some conditions. Condition for waxing, condition for waning. आपला कंडिशन पाहावं लागेल या ठिकाणी, कारण बीट्स फॉर्म होते वेळेस इंटेन्सिटी ऑफ साउंड शुड बी मॅक्सिमम, इंटेन्सिटी ऑफ साउंड शुड बी मिनिमम. मग पार्टिकल ज्यावेळेस व्हायब्रेट होतो परफॉर्मिंग एसएचएम ऍट दॅट टाइम एम्प्लिट्यूड शुड बी मिनिमम और मॅक्सिमम. सो such amplitude or resultant amplitude are shown in the figures. एक वेव आहे, दूसरी वेव अशी आहे, with respect to time आहे. Y with the net displacements. So these are the amplitudes. Then again there is a amplitude should be different, maximum or minimum. So these are the main equations. So resultant displacement of these two waves is y is equal to A into sine of 2 pi n into t. So we have to find out the intensity of sound should be minimum, means this point, this point, this point. There is amplitude should be 0. Amplitude should be maximum. There is a waxing should be formed. So intensity of sound should be maximum. There is a waxing. मग या ठिकाणी किती बीट फॉर्म झाले? 1 2 3. आपण दोन वेव्ह दिल्या होत्या. पहिली वेव्ह अशी होती, याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी n1 होती. दुसरी वेव्ह अशी आहे, त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी याच्यापेक्षा जास्त. आणि दोन्ही वेव्ह ज्यावेळेस इंटरफेअर होती, when these two they are interfere with each other, obtain the peace. Having same amplitude, slightly different frequency, travel in the same direction, we have to obtain the peace. But we have to find out the condition for waxing and condition for waning. The first is the condition for waxing. waxing. Waxing means sound is maximum are called waxing. कारण intensity is directly proportional to square of the amplitudes. Intensity of sound is directly proportional to square of the amplitudes. Therefore, we know the equation for amplitude A is equal to 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. तो साउंड इज मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे अँप्लिट्यूड जास्त आहे. हे अँप्लिट्यूड किती असेल? ए इज इक्वल टू प्लस और मायनस 2. ए इज इक्वल टू प्लस और मायनस 2. पुट दिस वैल्यू इन दिस इक्वेशन इक्वल टू 2a इंटू कॉस ऑफ 2 पाई इंटू n1 माइनस n2 डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू t. This should be cancelled. So cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t is equal to plus or minus 1. So 2 pi into n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. Cos inverse of 1. पहली वैल्यू 0 है, दूसरी वैल्यू pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. Therefore, 2 to get cancelled and pi into n1 minus n2 into t equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. So small t equal to 0 divided by pi into n1 minus n2. पहली वैल्यू. दूसरी वैल्यू है पाई डिवाइडेड बाय पाई इंटू n1 माइनस n2. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू n1 माइनस n2. 2 पाई डिवाइडेड बाय पाई इंटू n1 माइनस n2. देन 3 पाई डिवाइडेड बाय पाई इंटू n1 माइनस n2 एंड सो on. So these are the value is 0. Pi get cancelled means 1 divided by n1 minus n2. Pi get cancelled and 2 divided by n1 minus n2. 3 divided by n1 minus n2. These are the time intervals. Call आपल्याकडे time intervals. Time interval between two successive waxing. हा waxing मधला time interval आहे. So period is the or time period is the time interval between two successive waxing are called as period of wax. Time interval between two successive waxing. T is equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2 minus 0 equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2. या दोन मधला डिफरन्स घ्या, एवढाच येईल. 2 divided by n1 minus n2 minus 1 divided by n1 minus n2 is equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2. These are the periods. पिरियड आपल्याला माहित झाला, टाइम पिरियड आपल्याला माहित झालेला आपल्याला. टी इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय n1 minus n2. n1 minus n2 is the frequency of beats. So frequency of beats is the reciprocal of period of beats. Period of beats is the reciprocal of period of beats. means frequency of denoted by n. N is equal to 1 by t. 1 divided by t ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे 1 divided by n1 minus n2 and n equal to n1 minus n2 is the frequency of beats. The condition for vanning means sound is minimum are called as vanning. Means A is minimum, amplitude is minimum. So intensity is directly proportional to square of the amplitudes. Minimum means A is equal to 0, amplitude is 0. The equation is A is equal to 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. These are the resultant amplitude of these two waves. A is equal to 0, 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. Then cos of 2 pi divided with 0 by 2 pi into n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t equal to 0. So 2 pi into n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t equal to cos inverse of 0 is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and so on. Put to get cancel and small t is equal to pi by 2 into 1 divided by pi into n1 minus n2. 3 pi by 2 into 1 divided by pi into n1 minus n2. Then 5 pi by 2 into 1 divided by pi into n1 minus n2. Pi get cancel. So t equal to 1 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2, 3 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2, 5 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2, and so on. These are the time interval between two successive vannings. But we have to find out the period of beats. So period of beats t equal to 3 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2 minus of 1 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2. या दोन्ही मधला मी डिफरन्स घेतला किंवा या दोन्ही मधला डिफरन्स घेतला. Because these are the time intervals between two successive vannings. Then t equal to 2 into n1 minus n2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 2 into n1 minus n2, 2 to get cancelled, and is equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2. These are the difference of these two frequencies. So period of beat t is equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2. Period of beats is equal to the reciprocal of frequency of beats. These are the frequency of beats. Difference of two frequencies. So frequency of beats is equal to reciprocal of period of beats. Period of beats. Therefore, n is equal to 1 by t. n equal to 1 by t. t ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे 1 divided by n1 minus n2 and n is equal to n1 minus n2. This is the bit frequency. Bit frequency is the difference of two frequencies. So this is the expression for theory of bits.